Welcome to the Inductive Reactance Interactive Calculator, which calculates impedance, inductance, frequency, and circuit parameters for inductors in AC circuits. The calculator features a drop-down menu to select calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate inductive reactance XL, calculate inductance L, calculate frequency F, calculate total impedance with resistance Z, calculate circuit current I, and calculate quality factor Q. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Inductive Reactance XL. The input fields include frequency, Hz, inductance, H, inductive reactance in ohms, resistance in ohms, voltage, V, and coil resistance in ohms, depending on your selected calculation mode. Let's work through an example. With a frequency of 60 Hz and an inductance of 0.5 Henries, clicking Calculate gives us our results. The inductive reactance XL equals 188.496 ohms, which represents the opposition to AC current flow. The angular frequency omega is 376.991 radians per second, showing the angular velocity of the AC signal. The calculator confirms that at this frequency, the inductor impedes AC current flow with 188.5 ohms of opposition. Finally, the period is 16.6667 milliseconds, indicating the time for one complete cycle. This tool streamlines complex AC circuit calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.